Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of social studies. So today we will start with the new topic of geography, that is the minerals and power resources. So first we start with the very first part of this topic, that is the minerals and power resources. So we'll start with the topic minerals. Basically, if we talk about the minerals are a very important and valuable substance in our nature, and it consists of one or more elements also. And if we talk about the minerals, it is different from a rock, which can be an aggregate of minerals or non-minerals and do not have a specific chemical composition. Basically जो ये मिनरल्स होते हैं ये किसकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होता है, पर्टिकुलर किसी एरिया या किसी रॉक फॉर्मेशन के अंदर जो है ये फाउंड किए जाते हैं. और जो मिनरल्स आर फाउंड इन एरियाज दैट आर नॉट इजीली एसेसेबल सच एज अंटार्कटिका एंड आर्टिक ओशन बेड under the varying conditions and different types of geological environment. Basically minerals are created by the natural processes without any human interference, that the in generation of mineral there is no interference of humans. So here this flow chart shows the types of the minerals. Basically minerals are of three types. First is metallic, non-metallic, last one is energy mineral. And further metallic minerals are divided into two parts, that is furious and non-furious. Basically we'll tell you the meaning of metallic minerals. Basically metallic minerals are those minerals which contain metals but in a raw form, and this raw form is called an ore. We get metals such as gold, silver, iron and copper from the metallic minerals, and most of these minerals are found in the igneous and metamorphic rocks. And further metallic minerals are classified into two types, that is furious and non-furious. Non-furious minerals are those minerals which contain iron, and non-furious minerals are those which do not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper or lead. So here is the meaning of metallic mineral also. Metallic mineral basically called which contain the metals as in a raw form. Metals are hard substance that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese and chromites contain iron. So come to the non-metallic minerals. Basically here if we talk about the non-metallic minerals, this picture shows the examples of non-metallic minerals. As non-metallic minerals include the limestone, marble, gravel, clay, sand. All these are the examples of non-metallic minerals. If we talk about the meaning of the non-metallic minerals, basically non-metallic minerals are those which do not contain metals, but they include sulfur, potash, nitrate, salt and coal. All these are the non-metallic minerals. And basically most of the non-metallic minerals are found in the sedimentary rock, like metallic minerals are found in igneous metamorphic rocks. Some minerals are also found in non-metallic minerals. Some non-metallic minerals are also found in the alluvial deposits in river beds. So